I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Search and select an action. Twilio. Give your account SID, auth token, and phone number. So please visit the Twilio console. Copy the account SID, auth token and Twilio phone number. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select Number. Map the messages fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Twilio site and refresh the page. And you can see the message was sent successfully. Thanks for watching.